girls. Thanks for coming back. Do you remember in the beginning of the school year when we learned about zoo animals, you guys learned how to use sign language for zoo animals. You learned how to sign giraffe. Do you remember? Can you sign giraffe with me? Giraffe. And you learned how to sign elephant. Can you do elephant? For the trunk, remember? And you learned how to do zebra. Can you sign zebra? For the stripes. Do you remember all those signs? Good job, boys and girls. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to sign farm animals. And do you remember why some people use sign language? Some people are hearing impaired or deaf, and that means that they do not hear like you do, so it's hard for them to hear words, and so they talk with their hands instead. So we are going to learn some farm animals. So the first one, I am going to give you the farm sound, and you try to guess what animal it is. So if you were hearing impaired, you would not be able to hear this sound. Let's see here. Did you hear that? What animal is that? And this is a cat, and how you sign cat is like this. Like this, you're pulling the whiskers. Cat. Can you do that again? Cat. Good job. And the next animal is, you see if you can guess it by listening. Do you know what that is? A chicken. And the way you sign chicken is like this. Can you do that? Chicken. And the next animal is what was that? A cow. And this is how you sign cow. Like you're milking it. Good job, boys and girls. And next, let's see. That sounds familiar. A dog. And the way you sign dog is you kind of slap your knee and then snap. Slap and snap. Kind of like when you're saying to a dog, come here, doggy. Come here, doggy. So that is how you do doggy. Good job. And the next animal is, I wonder if you know this one. Let's see here. Do you know what that is? That is a donkey. A donkey. Good job, boys and girls. And next we have, let's see. Oh. Okay. Next we have, what is this? A duck. With 2 fingers. Good job, boys and girls. Next, let's see. Ooh, I like the sign for this one. It's a little tricky. What is that? A goat. A goat. Look at how you have to do that. Kind of flick with 2 fingers underneath your chin and on the top. Goat. Is that one fun? Next, let's see. What was that? So remember with donkey, your whole hand went down like this, but for horse, it's just 2 fingers like this for horse. Good job, boys and girls. Next we have, oh, I like this one. Let's see here. What animal is this? A piggy. Pig. Pig. Good job, boys and girls. Next we have a rooster. Can you do that? Your thumb comes on your forehead here. This is how you sign rooster. Good job. And next we have oh my goodness. A sheep. And this one's kind of cool. It's like you're shearing the wool from a sheep. This is how you sign sheep. Good job, boys and girls. All right, let's see here. We are going to review all of the animals, and then we'll continue to work on them. Let's see. What is that? Cat. Cat. Next is chicken. Chicken. Good job. Next is, you remember that one? Cow. Good job. Next is good job. And next is donkey. And then we have duck. Bird is with one finger here. We've learned the sign bird for spring, but duck is with two. Let's see here. Next we have, do you remember that one? That was a tricky one. What is that? A goat. Goat. And next we have horse. Horse. Piggy. Pig. Rooster. Can you do that? Rooster. Oh my gosh, that's loud. Do you remember what that was? Sheep. Good job, boys and girls. And that was the last one. So that is how to sign farm animals. And you can play this video over if you want to practice learning how to do the signs. So in the last sign I wanted to show you was farm. Do you see that? Farm. That's how you sign farm. And farmer is like this if you do that. And then put your hands down like that. Farm, farmer. Okay, boys and girls, thanks for joining me today in helping me to learn signs. Thank you.